silo art. Stop and dunny do. Get a pie, coffee, try and cool down a little bit. I'll tell you what, that was bloody cold. That I'm still on my hands. I'm freezing. My toes, yeah, they're frosted up. But yeah, now we've got basically through to Dubbo. Just as I see up the road there, we saw the police go past, and he looked like he's turning around sitting on the side of the road. So, yeah, we'll see what happens when we go up past that way. Take it easy, but anyway, head on down to Dubbo, then across to Ningan. So, other than that, everything's all good. Hopefully, the sun comes out very soon.
Fucking GPS!
Route recalculation. Take the next right, then turn slide left. Now turn right.
in the accommodation for the night. Let's have a look what we got. Oh, here we go. The Fred Hollow suite. Nice little old style joint. Bathroom. Oh, holy dooly. Old style bath. Look at that. Old style. On the street. Just a fridge, microwave, all you need. Big double bed. Holy dooly. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, lounge. The big one there. Oh my. Now look up the roof. Nice big tall ceilings. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, got a chook in the backyard. Nice old style house actually. Don't know about that. Tesla vehicle charging. Oh yeah, there we go. Charging station just there. Tesla with bird shit on it. You'd wonder if an electric car would actually make it this far out here anyway.